Hello, David Bradley from the pet room here. All right, so I have the Rusty Pet. I have a Pet to IEEE cable, and I'm going to put it on to the computer, put it on to the drive. It is secure. It is secure. The drive will go on. The computer will go on. All right. C, Shift A. Syntax error. Okay. So, I will try my favorite, open 15, 8, 15. Oops. 15, quote, I, quote, colon, close, 15. Ooh. Hello, Penny! Okay, so it seemed to do that. So I'm going to try to load, like on the 64. No, Penny. Load, $, quote, 8, and I will list. And it works. Hi, Penny. Hi. How are you doing? I know. Yes, Penny, I have the fan on, so you can't be here. No. Penny. Penny, there's too many pets around. Too many pets around, Penny. No. There's nowhere to really go there. There's all kinds of stuff here. I'm testing the pets. Also, I have the fan on. The one that might chop your little foot off. Hi. Yes. Hello. You are shedding. I don't know if you can see this, but every time I'm doing my... there's hair flying off of Penny. Now what you doing? Penny. Here. Why don't you just stay here comfy for a moment? I know. You're showing the help me face. Help me. Okay. Thank you for coming. That was Penny. So, this rusty pet does work with the drive that it didn't before. It did not before. But once again, I may have had cable issues. Anyway, it's good to see. Hi, Penny. It's good to see it's working and to know that it does work, because that means I don't have to rip it all apart. See, this pet, let me just look inside. I think this is one that usually gives me grief about opening and closing. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have to take a little something to the case here. Yeah, this one, it's mostly socketed. And it was missing a 6520 chip, and then it had one that was bad. So I stole one out of actually, I guess I stole two out of the BBBBS pet to get this one working. Which, of course, if you've been watching, you know. So I'm pleased to see that the disk drive does work with this. I suppose the last thing to do, just because I'm curious, is to get the FAT40 back up here. That's Penny here. Get the FAT40 back up here and kind of wiggle the connector a bit and see if I can get it to work, or if definitely I still think it has issues. Oh, but will I do that now? I don't know. See, right now the FAT40 is underneath the pet number 5. And it basically, the room in here, like the pets, it's like that those puzzles where you have like 16 or 25 spaces and one empty space, and you have to keep shuffling and try and get things just so. And I'm getting a little tired. So maybe, after some success, maybe it's good to end tonight on a successful adventure. In that, number 5 is working with the drives, and this one is working with the drives. See, catalog, no. Directory, no. It's just not there. That's all there is. I suppose what I can do, I can write a quick program. Open 15, 8, 15, quote, oops, don't need to shift the quote. I can do I0, quote, close, 15. You'll notice earlier, I just did I, because that means it'll go out to both drives. But when I do I0, it'll go to drive 0. If I change this to line 20, and I change this to I1, it will go to the individual drives. And if I list this, oh no. Yeah, that was brilliant. Oh yeah, I forgot. I had the directory loaded in. But I can type in new and make that all go away. And then I can go up and press return on 20, return on 30, and I can go 10 and cursor my way across, change this to an I0, clear the screen, and my little program is back. And when I run it, maybe you can see that, maybe you can't, the lights will flash, and the drives will spin, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Oh yeah, they are really cooking now. They are. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe you can. Anyway. All right. Yeah. Hey Google, what time is it?
9:30 p.m.
Hey Google, what's the score in the Blue Jays game?
Currently, the Blue Jays are leading the Tigers 12-2 in the bottom of the ninth.
I think maybe it's looking safe, but you never can tell. All right. Well, things are going pretty well, I think. I will start to turn things off and see about doing a little video processing, perhaps. Perhaps. So thanks for coming to the pet room. We'll see you again soon. Have a great day. Keep your stick on the ice. Bye for now.